Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we'll talk about Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher. In this video you will learn what is Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher and how and where you can use it. So guys, basically Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher is a utility. It is an extension which can be implemented in your org and it can be used to search code within your org. As it is explained by its name itself, like it is Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher. So it can be used to search code within your org. Guys, you can search Apex classes, Apex trigger, Lightning component, Visualforce pages and Visualforce component as well. Also, you can search the code within these components or trigger. So guys, as we can say, like it is a advanced part of the quick find what we are already having in Salesforce. So guys, in this video I will explain how you can use the Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher to search the code within your org and how you can implement this extension in your org. So guys, let's start this video. I'm Kapil, your host, and you're watching Salesforce Bolt. Alright guys, so first of all, for today's demo you have to log in into a developer org. I'm using a new developer org here as I don't want to implement functionality into my one. So guys, this is my developer org and I'm on setup homepage right now. So to implement the Salesforce Advanced Search functionality, you just have to search on Google Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher. So guys, basically it is a Google Chrome extension. Okay, so guys, this is our Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher. Let's see the features here. Okay, so guys, it says using this extension you can search your code component, your Salesforce instance, Apex class, triggers, Visualforce pages, components and Lightning components as well. And also guys, using this extension you can search the code within these components. I mean, if you need to find a particular code, a particular line of code or particular variable within these components, so you can also find it using the Advanced Code Searcher. So here are a few steps to embed it into our Lightning org, and underneath that you can see how you can use it in Classic. So in my condition guys, I'll be using it in my Lightning org. So let's add it to Chrome. Okay, add extension. Alright guys, so it will check the system configuration and all other things first. Okay, it is implemented in my Chrome extensions. Now let's check out the setup homepage. Let me just refresh the homepage. Okay, all right guys, so it's here. As you can see, the Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher is available in my setup homepage now. I was already authenticated into this org, that's why it's not asking for authentication. Otherwise it will ask the authentication first time. You have to log in with your credentials first. After that only it will allow you to display the Advanced Code Searcher into your org. Okay guys, so let me just explain the functionality here. What we are having here is, like, we are having separate checkbox to select the search functionality. So let's select the trigger, VF component and Lightning component. Okay, and so first option here is to search the code. We can enter the text here and it will search the code within these component. Let's say if I add test here, so as you can see guys, underneath that there's a result in table, because I'm not having of course any records here because it is a new developer org, so I won't be having any records here. But if you implement it in your org, so you can find the records by searching directly in this code searcher. It's kind of advanced, a little advanced part of this quick find window with a little more features. Okay, and after that guys, we are having another feature to check the code coverage. So what it will do, it will check the code coverage of your Apex classes, of your complete org. You can check the code coverage of your org independent, or you can check the code coverage also for org wide code coverage details. Okay, and after that we are having Apex PMD. So guys, what is Apex PMD? Let's check it out. So Apex PMD allow you to run static code analysis against your Apex code. Only the unmanaged Apex class will be analyzed. So guys, basically it will analyze your code And running PMD on huge amount of Apex classes is a resource intensive task and might take good amount of time. Okay, you can click the setting icon to run a specific class. Okay, so guys, this can be used to analyze your Apex classes. And after that guys, we are having lightning linter here. Let's check it out what it can do. So lightning linter allow you to lint the lightning code in your org. Lightning is the process of running a program that will analyze the code potential errors. So guys, this will also analyze your code and it will try to find the potentials errors in your code, and I think it will list out the errors underneath this box in a table or something like that. Okay guys, so after that we are having this get record details, and it says use this tab to get all the field detail of a particular record and enter the 15 and 18 character Salesforce ID. Okay guys, so I think we can get the record details using particular ID of a record. Like if you will insert the account record ID, so it will show the details of that particular record. And after that guys, we have another feature here. It says LWC editor. So I think it is just an editor for the Lightning web component. Like you can use the VS Code, and I think this is the default editor in Salesforce for LWC. And as we are not having any component here, so that's why it's not displaying. And we are having different themes here. I think once we will add the component, the particular theme will be changed accordingly. Okay, so guys, that was all about the Salesforce Advanced Code Searcher. And if you like today's video, subscribe to the channel will be awesome, and I hope you learned something new. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Also let me know if you have any query in the comment section below guys. I'll try to revert back as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one guys. Thanks for watching.